Reason why Tesla cars face challenges in India. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the challenges that Tesla, the American electric vehicle manufacturer, has to face in the Indian market. Tesla has been in the news for quite some time now as it plans to enter the Indian market. But there are several challenges that the company has to overcome. 1. Infrastructure. One of the primary challenges that Tesla will face in India is the lack of adequate infrastructure to support electric vehicles. India has a limited number of charging stations, and the existing ones are not well maintained. Tesla will have to invest heavily in setting up charging stations across the country to make their vehicles accessible to potential customers. 2. High import duties. Another challenge that Tesla will have to face in India is the high import duties. The Indian government levies a 60% import duty on vehicles that are priced less than $40,000 and 100% on vehicles that are priced above that. This will make Tesla's vehicles significantly more expensive in India than in other countries. 3. Competition. The Indian market for electric vehicles is still in its nascent stage. But there are several local players who have already established themselves in the market. Companies like Tata Motors, Mahindra, and Hyundai are offering electric vehicles at a much lower price point than Tesla. Tesla will have to compete with these players and come up with innovative pricing strategies to make their vehicles affordable for Indian customers. 4. Regulatory hurdles. The Indian market is known for its complex regulatory environment. And Tesla will have to navigate through several regulatory hurdles to establish itself in the market. The Indian government has mandated that all electric vehicles must have a range of at least 140 kilometers to be eligible for subsidies. Tesla will have to make sure that its vehicles meet these requirements to be eligible for incentives. 5. Cultural barriers. The Indian market is culturally diverse, and Tesla will have to adapt its marketing strategies to appeal to the diverse audience. Tesla is known for its premium and luxury electric vehicles, which may not be a priority for Indian customers who are more price sensitive. Tesla will have to come up with innovative marketing strategies to appeal to Indian customers and establish a strong brand presence. 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, Tesla has several challenges to overcome before it can establish itself in the Indian market. The lack of adequate infrastructure, high import duties, competition from local players, regulatory hurdles, and cultural barriers are some of the challenges that Tesla will have to face. However, if Tesla can overcome these challenges, India can be a significant market for the company, given its huge population and growing middle class. Thank you for watching. And do let us know in the comments what you think about Tesla's entry into the Indian market.